What do you imagine when you think of a worldwide Islamic caliphate? What do you think their goals would be? And would that advance humanity or send humanity backwards? Now pause. What if I told you a worldwide caliphate already exists, with tens of millions of Muslims in over 200 nations pledging allegiance to that caliph? And what if I told you it was far from everything you've been told about the Islamic Caliphate? His Holiness, the Khalifa of Islam, Mirza Masroor Ahmad, is the worldwide head of the Ahmadiyya Muslim community. And he exemplifies Islam in word and in deed. But don't just take my word for it. The Khalifa is dedicated to serving all humanity. And he does so around the world, in North America, in Australia, in Asia, in Africa, and in South America. And how does he do this? By building hundreds of secular schools for children of all faiths and backgrounds, by condemning categorically all forms of abuse against women, and by championing universal religious freedom for all people of all faiths and for all people of no faith, because that is what Islam teaches. See, we have this amazing positive narrative of what the true Islamic Caliphate actually is. A narrative that all too often goes ignored, but a narrative that people demand to hear and have a right to know. So if this is the first time you're hearing about the Khalifa of Islam, Mirza Masroor Ahmad, then share this with your circles, because we need to advance this positive narrative. We need to advance this mission for peace. And when we unite for peace, that is when humanity moves forward.